Hi, in this video, let me continue from the previous one and introduce how to modify the agent attribute, the content, with our proxy tool. Let's open our example file, the sample, the 82, the predefined agent attr. And this file is the result of from the previous video, and let's just record what we created in this file, and let's tear this off. We created the two agent attribute onto the casual and the snake. Under the casual we created AAA, and the snake we created the BBB. And then also we created a variable host, the attribute host, which for the first one we created the attribute name is CCC, and for the second we assign that to the DDD. And for the first first attribute host we connected to two of the agents, so all of the agent type will be contain the CCC. And for the second the attribute host, we connected that to the MCD place one, so it will assign the agent only placed from this node, from this place one. So this is DDD. And the agent attribute, which we predefined it cannot be modified when the simulation time. So this is different from the simulation time created that the agent attribute. This is a predefined agent attribute, and this cannot be modified when the simulation time. So when we create that and want to modify for some specific agent, we need to do some proxy work. For example, we want to let's just show the digit of this. We want to modify the false, which ID is free, the agent, and for example, let's place this agent out. For example, the AAA to the 10. For example, we need to do some proxy work. So let's create the attribute proxy node, and here we needed to, in the attribute proxy linker, and create the proxy, the attribute name at here, at AAA. And you can see that in the channel box, there's an AAA has been displayed, and let's just change that value to 10. And then let's, in the attribute proxy manager here, let's assign that to this one, this man. And SD place, select this place node, and this is MCD place one. Let's just get the ID from this, and use the mail adder .plid, and you can see that the result is 1. So we can add this proxy here, and the place ID is 1, and agent ID star is free. Free to free. And let's place our agent and select this one and play back some frame. For example, 1 to 2 frames. You can see that the AA value changed to 10 for this specific agent, but for the other one it cannot be changed because it will not use any of the proxy feature. So we can also modify this. For example, we needed to change the BBB for this snake, and let's deplace our agents and see the number of this. And this is 12. And let's create another the proxy node, and in the linker here let's create and the name is let's place the BBB to about 50. So for the second we need to add a BBB here and make that 50, and we need to specify that place ID, and let's just change this to the place node 0. Should be 0, okay, and let's fill this to 0, and the agent ID is 12 to 12. And then let's place our agents. You can see that the value is also this leave it unchanged, and the playback some frame, it will be changed to the 50. We proxied that. So this is a usage of the agent, the attribute proxy. And also you can proxy some of them for all of these agents. For example, we want to proxy for the first place node and all the AAA value to the 7, for example here, 9. But for this one is still 8.7. The AAA is the randomized range. So let's create another proxy node in the Agent Proxy Manager. We don't need to use this anymore for this usage. We only need to open this linker and add the AAA and which is 7, and connect this to the place node with 0 and add the link. And then let's deplace and place our agents again and run the simulation for some frame. You can see that all of the agents in the place node 0, which agent attribute will be changed to 7. You can see that 7. And for the rest of the agent in the second place node, the AAA, the value still no change. You can see that this here is 10 because we use the first the attribute, the proxy, and this snake I use the second the proxy node. So this is 50. This is an introduction for the proxy usage for the agent attribute. This can help for your to modify some specific the attribute name and for some specific agent for the render usage or some logic usage. Thank you for watching. See you next time.